Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in and stopping by to check out this video. Today I want to talk about connectivity issues that I'm having when I try to connect my phone via Bluetooth to the factory radio unit in my 2018 Subaru Impreza. So the issue I'm having is that whenever I play a song, the audio gets very choppy, it drops out, and basically becomes unlistenable. So let me show you what this sounds like. So yeah, that's not listenable at all, and to correct this, what I was doing was connecting via CarPlay via a USB cable, which was, I mean, it works, but it's a little annoying. Bluetooth is just easier, it just connects. So let me show you how to fix this. It's really simple. Just go into your settings, right there, and then scroll down until you get to Wi-Fi, and then just turn the Wi-Fi off like that, and then go to play the song. And that fixes the problem. It's really that simple. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if this solution worked in your car. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.